Yes, yes, yes. Come here. Beautiful. Morning, guys. It's tournament day. We're out here doing the UPKA Ford River event. We are not fishing the river. We're actually out on Lake Michigan. It's almost got about 2 minutes to go till we can start casting. So hopefully, with any luck, get a quick limit, and then I can start kind of searching for larger bites. Now we'll see how it goes. It's cold this morning. The water's mid 40s, and the air is colder than that. So hopefully we don't freeze. The wind's not supposed to be much, but it's gonna cause a little bit of a headache in here with the waves, since this is a huge body of water. But now we'll see how it goes. We're gonna start off with the Ned rig and see what we can find. I'm gonna go sit over on this side of this hole, probably fish this for a little bit, hopefully get 1 or 2 bites out of it, and then we'll move on to the next spot, and I'll just start doing circles. It doesn't seem like anybody's really fishing over here by me, so at least not right now. We'll spin this around, spot lock, and see what we can come up with. Hopefully something. All right, 7 o'clock. Let's make it happen. Feels good. Yeah, it's kind of small. Flight's good though. Oh, hands are gonna get cold. Alright, there's number 1. That sun to come out. Right on, next cast. Yes. This is a decent one, bit better. Yes! Number 2 on the next cast after the first one. This one's a little bit bigger. Looks like water might be about 46, 47 degrees out here. Hopefully it starts warming up. Wind is picking up. It's gonna make it harder to fish this. Here, fishy, fishy. There's one. Well, it's got some feisty little head shakes. Nope, 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 nope. Stay away from the motor. Ah, oh, son of a... Must have turned just the right way. Never good losing a fish. don't. Oh, no, you don't. Hey. Calm down. Don't be like that. There's number 3. That wind would die down. It wouldn't be half as cold. Ugh. There's a fish or a rock. Hate playing that game. Come on, think long thoughts, fish. All right, little Ned rig, go to work. Yes, come on. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Stay on. Oh, come on. Please be a good one. Please be a good fish. Yes! Yes! 5. Got my 5. Thank you, buddy. Number 5. We got a limit. Yes. Thought I was gonna have another one. And I do. Yes! Please be bigger. 15, 16. 30. Thanks, buddy. Number 6, and it should be another ½ inch. Another bite. You're 14. I'm gonna have to. Oh no. Oh, come on. Be a good one. Just like that. Oh, there's something down in there that I'm feeling that kind of feels like a tug, like that. Nope. There we go. Maybe something was messing with me. Oh, come off. Damn. Thought I felt a fish. Must have been just grabbing the tail of it. Right there. Nope. Oh, come on, really. It's just picking it up. There it goes. Probably be a little one. There. Another one. Another little one. Just grabbing the worm. You might be an upgrade. 14 and a half. Can you be 14 and a half? Whew. A lot of pressure off now that I've gotten my 5 and I've getting some small upgrades. Feels good. What worries me is that the fish aren't so much just scooping it up as they're playing with it. But they're out here in numbers. Stay on and be bigger than 14. Well, they seem to be getting a little bit bigger. Maybe another 1/4 inch for me. Nope. Horrible net job. This is either 11 or 12, but 1/2 inch upgrade. 14 is still my smallest. Let's keep tossing it out there. How tannic this water is, it almost feels like you're fishing in like a Diet Coke. We can hook into a couple more. Right there. Come on, be bigger than 14, baby. Feels fairly decent. Yep. Get in the net. Yes! Big fish for the day for me. Yes! All right. Yes. Come here. Beautiful. Thank you, baby. There we go. 17. Got about an hour left of the tournament. I haven't checked the leaderboard here recently. I was at 76 inches. Come here. You are 14. All right, another one. Wasn't an upgrade. Tell you what, one of my least favorite things right now are these little black flies. They come in clouds. They're being blown into you from the wind, and they just kind of stick to everything in your clothes. Thank God I have glasses on, or I'd probably be blind by now. Give this a few more minutes here, and we'll move to the last spot, which is where I think I've put 3 on the board so far in that spot. This one's pretty good. Maybe. Nope, a shrink. I think we're gonna call it a day. It's 1:48. I want to make sure I get in. You know, lines out is 2 and check-in is 2:30. I don't. Blah. Freaking bugs. I don't want to screw up and miss check-in for whatever reason.
Well, I don't have to worry about eating dinner. I'm eating up damn bugs.
I know, that's why I'm just now getting to my snack. Been eating, getting protein all day.